Hola! This is Trixie, your Minimalist FA, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are into personal finance, product records, and travel tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click mo na din yung bell button down there so you will be updated every time I upload a new vlog. And for today's video, this is going to be my personal experience in having a credit card. Kung first time ka magkakaroon ng credit card or nagbabalak kang mag-apply ng credit card, ano yung mga pros and cons ng pagkakaroon nito. So, kung interested ka, please keep on watching. So, before we start, alamin muna natin what is credit card. So, Google, pasok. So, sabi dito, a credit card is a thin rectangular plastic or metal issued by bank or financial services company that allow card holders to borrow funds. So, in a term, a credit card is a financial instrument issued by bank with a preset credit limit. So, a credit card, unlike siya ng debit card, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng pera within that card para magamit mo siya. Kasi 'di ba pag debit card, kailangan may laman muna siya. Kailangan may pera ka doon sa debit card mo in order for you to use it. Pero sa credit card, kailangan meron kang credit limit na pwede mong gamitin and kailangan na gamitin mo muna siya bago mo siya babayaran. So basically, credit card is like nangungutang ka sa bangko. Gamit yung card na yun and then after a month, babayaran mo siya. Ganon. How can you apply for a credit card? Maybe this going to be a different video kasi meron yung step-by-step process. But nag-apply ako ng credit card. May nag-send sa akin ng email na nagsasabi na pwede na ako mag-apply ng credit card and then pinasa ko lang yung mga requirements such as valid ID and then sasagutan mo lang yung mga personal information and then sila nang bahala kung i-approve ka nila or i-reject ka nila. So, pag-usapan na natin, ano ba yung credit card na meron ako? So, this is good for beginner, lalo na kung katulad ko na first time magkakaroon ng credit card kasi usually, medyo strict sila. So, depende sa kanila kung papasa ka. Pero pag nagkaroon ka na ng credit card, bulol pa. Pag nagkaroon ka na ng credit card, every time na mag-a-apply ka to other banks, as long as maganda yung credit history mo, for sure, ma-approve ka na. So, the first credit card would be the hardest kasi every time na mag-a-apply ka, they either can approve or reject. So, let's tackle ano yung credit card na meron ako. So, I have here the Robinsons Bank. As I mentioned, sinendan nila ako ng email asking if kung gusto kong mag-apply ng credit card. So, yeah. Tie-up sila nito ni Prulife UK because I've been a client of Prulife UK for about 3 years and lagi naman ako nagbabayad ng maayos sa kanila. Siguro kaya nakita din nila na pwede akong mag-apply ng credit card because I'm a good payer. So, luckily, na-approve naman ako. Ang credit limit, it depends kung magkano yung sinasahod mo. But I got mine, medyo mababa pa siya, pero okay lang. Kasi ang importante naman ay meron na akong credit card. And the next time na mag-a-apply ako, for sure, ma-approve na ako because makikita na nila ang aking credit history. So, let's go with the pros and cons naman ng pagkakaroon ng credit card. Let's go first with the pros. So, I have here my notes. As you can see here. So, I can easily speak out what's in my mind when I am thinking about my first credit card. Okay, my pros is number 1, it's easy to activate. Like, when you are already approved for a credit card, you can easily activate it kasi meron naman silang parang step-by-step process on how you can activate your credit card. Like, once I got the card, I activated and within the day, I tried to use it and it worked. So, you can easily activate it. Number 2, flexibility. I like credit card because it's really flexible in a way that if I don't have cash with me, since I don't usually have one, minsan nga yung boyfriend ko nagrereklamo na kasi lagi akong walang cash because I tried to pay cashless talaga, even with bills and all that stuff. When you are paying for groceries, I use cashless talaga. So, yeah, I like credit card because it's flexible. Number 3, can be used whenever I need it. As I mentioned, whenever I need the card. Even though I don't have money with me, I can easily use it. And then, pwede mo siyang gamitin kasi sa kahit saan pag grocery mo, pag magpipili ka ng pagkain, even with Grab. So, yun. So, maganda talaga siya. Number 4, easy payment. So, I pay my credit card using GCash. So, since user naman ako ng GCash for a while, I can easily pay for my credit card using that. And I believe 10 pesos yung kanilang process fee. So, yun yung mga pros ko when it comes or when having a credit card specifically for Robinsons Bank. Let's go for the cons naman, yung hindi ko gusto in using credit card, specifically yung credit card ko ngayon. Number 1, only like a few more merchants can be used for paying. As I mentioned, I only pay my credit card through GCash. And minsan, parang pag down yung GCash, alam mo yun, yung mga ganun. Sana may mga options pa siya. Kasi sa Shopee Pay, tinignan ko, wala dun yung Robinsons Bank. And then, even sa Maya, wala din yung Robinsons Bank. So, sana magkaroon sila ng wider way on how to pay credit card, hindi lang sa GCash. Number 2, hotline is not reachable. Sometimes, pag tumatawag ako, kasi may nakikita ako na gaps or lapses dun sa message na sinesend nila sa akin every time I use the card, they are not so reachable. Parang sometimes 1 hour ka nang naghihintay but yet hindi pa rin nila sinasagot yung tawag mo. So, it's a cons kasi what if may emergency, diba? So, you cannot like call them ASAP. So, it's a cons for it. Number 4 na cons ko din is when applying first time, when you apply for a credit card, specifically for Robinsons Bank, I need to update them because I believe I had approved or I had received an email saying that I am approved and I can have my credit card. However, they really like slow when they are updating their clients. Like, you need to update them in order for you to get the feedback from them, which is not good. Dapat, diba, lagi silang nauuna in updating us. But me, on my end, like, parang a month ko na silang ina-update before I actually got the card. So, that's a cons for me. So, yun lang. Maganda naman magkaroon talaga ng credit card, especially when you are into finances. Kasi, with credit cards, you can easily see what are the things that you bought using that card. And very convenient siya. And also, you can earn interest from you saving a bank before you actually pay with your credit card. Or when you actually pay for the credit card. So, you can still have time in gaining interest, especially if you put your money in a digital bank, which is every day you gain interest. So, yun lang naman. Yun din yung gusto ko sa pagkakaroon ng credit card. And also, one good thing about credit card is, of course, the credit score that you gain, especially if you are a good payer. Maganda lang yung credit card pag good payer ka kasi makikita yun sa credit score or sa mga credit history mo na, ito good payer to. And then, a bank can loan you in the future if you want to request or ask for a loan, which is good also. I think the next topic that I'll be tackling is the how to get a credit card. This is gonna be a different video. So if you want to know more about like personal finance, product records, my thoughts about something, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so you will be updated every time I upload a new vlog. And kung may like pros and cons pa kayo na gustong idagdag dito sa mga nasabi ko, please comment down below. I'll be also putting my email there. So kung gusto nyo ng collaboration and all. So yun lang. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.